Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to set up Webhook inside Graphy. So Webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. Graphy is an all-in-one SaaS-based platform for course creators and entrepreneurs to create, launch, market and sell their online courses. So in this video, I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can set up Webhook inside Graphy and send the data to other applications as an event will take place. So now to begin with the setup, I will go to my trigger window and over here, I'm going to search for Graphy as my trigger application. Here it is. And here the trigger event will be success transaction. So this trigger will start working whenever a transaction will be completed successfully. So I'm going to tell you the use case about when a successful payment will be made for the course. So that is why over here I've selected my trigger event as success transaction. So as I did that, here you can see a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your Graphy account with Pabbly Connect. So this here is my Graphy account and now in order to build a connection between Pabbly Connect and Graphy, I will go to integrations and here in integrations, I will go to webhooks. And now here under webhooks, I'm going to add a new webhook. So over here, I need to mention the webhook URL. So from Pabbly Connect, I'm going to copy this webhook URL and over here, I'm just going to paste it. So as over here, HTTPS is already mentioned. So that is why over here from this URL, we are just going to remove this part. So I'm just going to remove it. So now moving to the description. Over here, you can add the description as well. So I'm mentioning it as successful payment. Now moving to the choose event to send. So as my objective is to send the payment details to Pabbly Connect. So in order to do that, I'm going to select the event as success transaction. So it says when the process of purchase transaction is complete, then this event is going to work. So now I'm going to click on save. And here you can see that the webhook has been successfully added. So this here is a webhook and that means we have successfully set up a connection between our Graphy account and Pabbly Connect. So over here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that it is waiting for a webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So in order to do that, I will take you to the courses which I've created in Graphy. So over here, these are the courses. And let's say I'm going to make a purchase of this course that is by the name of Core PHP Programming. So over here, I'm going to make a purchase for this course that is Core PHP Programming. I'm going to add to cart. Over here, I'm going to click on checkout. Now I will go to next. So here's the name. Again, I will click on next. So now over here, I'm going to proceed to the payment. So as you can see that I'm in test mode, that is why I'm going to make a test payment. So over here, I'm going to fill in the dummy card details. So this here is the expiry and this here is a dummy CVV. Now I'm going to click on pay now. I will click on pay without saving card. And over here, I'm going to mention a dummy OTP and click on submit. And here you can see that the payment was successful. That means I've successfully purchased this course. So here it says, thank you, your order was successful. That means our order has been placed and we have successfully made the payment for the course. Now the details of this payment would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect. And yes, over here you can see that I have received a response. Here you can see this is the order ID. This here is the name. This here is the mobile number. Over here you can see the course name that was Core PHP Programming. And this here is the email address and here is the amount. So here that means we have successfully set up a webhook inside Graphy. That means now whenever a payment will be made for the course in Graphy, then automatically the payment details will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So as I've got the payment details and this trigger is instantly going to capture the new incoming data when the workflow execution will start in real time. So as over here in Pabbly Connect, I have got the details of the payment which was made. Now just by clicking on this action window, I can select any action application and send the payment details data to any other application. So here that means you have successfully set up the webhook inside Graphy. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.